recently concluded elections, the BJP-led NDA is all set to return to power, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi reportedly being sworn in on 8th June. The election campaign was intense, with Prime Minister Narendra Modi holding more than 300 rallies, showcasing his tireless efforts and commitment. But even though NDA has been in power since 2014, there has been a lot of change in the political landscape of the country since 2014. In 2014, the BJP secured a remarkable victory, clinching a majority in the parliament and forming the government on its own under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The NDA won 336 seats, with the BJP registering a landslide victory in the Hindi heartland. This historic win was attributed to the Modi wave, with the party's promise of reviving the economy and creating employment opportunities resonating with the voters. The UPA, on the other hand, was reduced to just 60 seats, of which the Congress, then led by Rahul Gandhi, won 44 seats. In 2019, the BJP once again triumphed, increasing its tally in the parliament to a massive 303 seats, with the NDA securing 353 seats. The party's stronghold in the Hindi heartland played a pivotal role in this triumph. The Congress, led by Rahul Gandhi, faced another defeat, winning only 52 seats, and the UPA managing to secure 91 seats. Now, fast forward to 2024, the BJP fell short of the majority mark, winning 240 seats in the Lok Sabha, while the NDA won 292 seats. The party faced significant setbacks in the Hindi heartland, especially in Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan and Haryana. However, the NDA alliance, with the support of key allies like JDU and TDP, secured 292 seats. However, the Congress made a strong comeback, winning 99 seats, and the Trinamool Congress also emerged as a significant player, securing 29 seats in West Bengal. In summary, the political landscape of the country has witnessed significant shifts over the past decade. While the BJP's dominance in the Hindi heartland has been a key factor in its electoral victories, the emergence of strong opposition forces has added a new dimension to the political dynamics of the country.